Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to download and how to install the Canva application on your system. This series is very important. Watch this series up to end. Come to the laptop and open the Google Chrome and type the up to down for the window. Click on it and then click on the first link and then click on the search button and then type the Canva and then click on the Canva and scroll down, and you can see here this is the latest version is available on the up to down website. Click on it and then scroll down again and click on the download button and then again click on the download button. The download will start here, you can see, but I have already downloaded the exe file of the Canva. Click on the exe file of the Canva. The installation will start here, you can see the new window will open here on your web browser, you can see, and then click on the login through browser button. Click on it and then click on the yes continue to Canva app, this button, and then click on the open Canva button. You can see here the login start here, and this is the main page of the Canva application. In short, in this video I have explained to you how to download and how to install the Canva application. In the next video I will explain to you how to use the Canva application as well as how to use the Canva Pro. If you have any question about the downloading and installing of the Canva application, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.